Get ready to learn an incredible CPA marketing strategy that will have you earning money from just clicks. This is super beginner friendly. All you need is your device, internet connection, and the instructions that I'm going to lay out for you. So be sure to pay close attention to every single money-making minute in this short video. If today's method sounds good to you, smash that like button and let's get into it. I'll be revealing this site in just a little bit, but the first thing I want you to do is sign up for an absolutely free account on the site. So just click on this green sign up button on the top right corner, and on the next page, create a unique username. Fill in your email ID, create a password, and just check on this box and click sign up. Once you log into your account, your dashboard will look like this. Here is your username that you created, and you can see your points here or here on the top. So for step 2, all you need to do is hover your mouse here on the Earn Points section. And then you want to click where it says Website Hits, because that's exactly where we can go to click on websites and get paid for doing that. But you need to stick around with me so I can show you how you can actually exchange those points for real money. Because as you can see, there is no withdraw button to be seen on this website. So you need to do something to exchange those points for real money. Don't worry, you will not have to sell anything, and it's going to be very easy. So once you click on Website Hits, you will see all these websites which we can visit and earn points from. So just click on the Visit button right here, and that's going to open up another website for us, and we just need to wait for like 20 seconds now. And once the countdown hits 0, I will be able to close this page and the points will be added to my account. So you can see we got 34 points, and you can see that my points increased. So all you need to do is just repeat the process to collect as many points as you can, because the more points you have, the more money you're going to be able to withdraw. Now, the name of this website is youlikehits.com, where you can click on websites and earn points. Step number 3, when you know how to click on websites and earn points, let me show you how you can exchange those points for real money. So you need to come over to CPAgrip.com, and you want to sign up for an absolutely free account on this website. And once you log into your account, it's going to look something like this. Now, you just need to click on Offer Tools from the left-hand side and select My Offers from here. That's going to open up many different offers on the CPA marketplace, and if you don't know already, CPA stands for Cost Per Action, which means that we just need to refer someone to a URL link where they need to maybe sign up to something for absolutely free. They don't need to spend any money at all. They just need to become qualified leads by probably entering their email address and their name, which is a lot easier than selling anything. Now, we just need to grab a referral link from any one of the different offers available here that are paying different prices. So, just by referring someone to this offer, you're going to make $2 per person. So, you have many different offers available, but one that I found was this one over here. I will go with this one just as an example. This offer is paying me $2.05 per lead per person that I refer to this website. And they have a chance when they sign up to win some giveaway. So they don't need to spend any money, but they have a chance to win a $750 gift card for absolutely free, which is a no-brainer. All you need to do is grab your referral link. So click on the Copy Link button and your link will be copied. Now, whenever you send people to this link, if they sign up for absolutely free, they have a chance to win a $750 gift card, and you're getting paid $2 per person, which is really awesome. For 10 people, you're gonna make $20, and if you send 100 people to this link, you're gonna make $200, and so forth and so on. Now, step number 4, once you grab your referral link for the offer, you will just need to make it short and sweet. So copy that long URL from CPA Grip and go to bit.ly.com. I'm just going to paste my long URL here, and I will click Shorten right here. As you can see, I don't even have to sign up. And this is my new URL that looks short and nice and pretty much takes people to the same page. But now it just looks more appealing. So for now, just copy your shortened link. And for step number 5, come over to twitter.com, and I want you to sign up to Twitter and create a new account if you don't have an account already. It's absolutely free to sign up on Twitter, and don't worry, you don't need any followers or likes, etc. This can be literally your first day on Twitter, and you're still going to be able to do this because we will be just using this platform to cash out our money from youlikehits.com. All you need to do is just post something like this. As you can see, this is what I have posted on my account. So just click tweet right here and start writing something like new giveaway and some images and prizes depending on the offer you chose from CPAgrip.com. I'm going to say $750 gift card for you and then enter here for free and just paste your shortened bit.ly URL, which is basically your referral link from CPA Grip right here, and then just click on tweet right here. You only need to set up this process once to keep on making money with this and to keep on withdrawing money from this method. Now, just simply click on your tweet, and from the next page, you need to copy your tweet ID of your new giveaway tweet, which you can find in the back of your page URL right here. Just copy this tweet ID from here, and this URL will take people to your giveaway tweet where they can see new giveaway $750 gift card, and they can enter for free. And once they click on that link, if they sign up for absolutely free, you're going to get paid $2.05. In this case now, you just need a lot of people going over to this tweet so they can actually click on your referral link and they can participate in the giveaway. And you can keep making money like I do with this. Step number 6 is to go back to youlikehits.com, and depending on how many points you have, you can exchange them for Twitter. You can get Twitter followers, tweets, likes, or retweets from those points. And that's exactly how you can withdraw your money. So just hover your mouse over Add Sites right here, then from Twitter options available, click on Retweets option. And on the next page, you need to copy your tweet ID from Twitter and paste that ID in this box on youlikehits.com. And then just click on Add Tweet. And as you can see, you have successfully added this tweet to get retweeted. Now, just click on Manage Twitter Suites, and on the bottom of the next page, just select this drop-down arrow and select the amount of points you want to give for each retweet. You can choose anywhere between 3 points to 30 points, but I recommend choosing between 6 to 10 points only. As soon as you select the points, it will start your retweets campaign, and in just a matter of minutes, you will start to receive many retweets, depending on the amount of points you have in your account. And if you want to stop this campaign, then just select the off option from here, and it will stop your campaign. So that's how we can exchange the points for real money. Now, other members of youlikehits.com will retweet our Twitter post. The post will reach more and more people on Twitter, and whenever they click on our URL link in the tweet and sign up, we will get paid $2 per sign up. And that is it for today's tutorial. If you found this video useful or interesting, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications turned on so that you never miss out on another incredible money-making method.